And of course, DJ Sacy. Let's go right down now into, of course, RTQA with taking care of our parents when we are grown-ups. Toxic culture or not? Let's find out on this video.
This Sunday on PSTV Show Online and one of our segments, RTQA, our topic, taking care of our parents when we are grown-ups. Toxic culture or not? Related topics. Your questions we answer. PS TV Show Online presents RTQA.
Yes. There you go. And we are back once again. And to, of course, ang ating topic for today. With RTQA, you know, even on what we wish for you to do is even on full replay. On full replay is join us with in the comment section what your thoughts are. Ano po yung para sa inyo is ito ba kasi nagkaroon tayo ng most recent na topic about this with since nung nanalo si Carlos Yulo, to which, by the way, congratulations to him, and he deserves to be winning because he's really, really good. But then again, nagkaroon ng issue about this. So, what do you think about this? Is it a toxic culture or not? Because may mga nag-claim, may mga nagsasabi na hindi dapat ganon, that it shouldn't be the case, na hindi tayo dapat tumatalima sa mga magulang natin. You know what? I don't know with you, DJ Sacy, but I think we're one in on this thing. For me, it's not a toxic culture. And truth of the matter is, even if you don't have a good relationship with your parents, you ought to be taking care of them once na alam niyo yung word na tumalima. Ibig sabihin is
aruga.
Oo. Ako to be very honest, I don't really have a close relationship with my own parents, but with my auntie baby, kasi siya yung nagpalaki sa akin. But I do love and respect my parents. So, and they're here in Hong Kong. And, you know, kasi darating yung time tatanda rin tayo eh. We will go to that point where tatanda rin tayo. Ako, I have my own children. I think I don't want to be in that space. Hindi naman sinabing maging alagain or ano, but actually, how else are they going to be, diba? Especially pagka yung olds natin nagkaroon ng sakit or what, you know. What about you? What are your thoughts on this, DJ Sacy?
Well, syempre, I think for me, automatic naman na yun eh, na parents mo syempre. Tumutulong ka nga sa ibang tao, how much more sa parents, diba?
Yes, exactly.
And I think for me, it's also I think I took it as a responsibility din kasi lalo na pag ikaw meron ka naman na may tutulong, why not?
Yes.
Kung wala talaga, then
yes.
It's okay din. Pag meron, bakit hindi?
At saka yung pagtulong, I don't think naman palaging pera ang
it's not about
usapan.
Tulong lang naman na pera or
actually emotionally.
Tsaka yung
nakakausap sila.
Tsaka I think it's me personally, iba kasi pag nakakasama mo yung parents mo. Kasi ako, both parents ko wala na. So, most of my years ay na-spend ko dito sa Hong Kong. Now that they're already gone, parang meron akong gano'n na how I wished na nagkaroon ako ng mas maraming time together with them. Mas marami akong nagawa, mas marami akong na memories na.
Yes.
Kasi pagka-graduate ko, I was 25, nag-abroad na kagad ako eh. So, hindi naman ganun kadalas yung uwi ko. But, so, when they got older, tapos, nagkasakit na, so, iba pa rin yung kahit nagsusupport ka as, iba pa rin yung nakakasama mo sila. Ako, that's how I see it. Hindi yung dahil aarugain mo sila, dahil responsibilidad mo yun, or But yung na kasama mo sila.
Yes.
Hanggang sa nawala na sila. It's one of my, sana I've been there more. Ay, kasi naman, syempre, sa akin naman, sa akin naman is, nagtrabaho kasi ako abroad. So, pero sa iba na you have the opportunity and you have all the time and chance na makasama sila while they are, still around. Lalo na very healthy pa sila. I think make time and efforts
for them. And ito i-show natin yung comment ni Ruby. Ruby said, there's no legal obligation or law forcing children to take care of parents. It's a personal decision and it depends on the situation. If you have an abusive parent when you were young, would you still stay? Still, up to you if you can handle it. But as for me, even after marrying and having my own child, I'm still living with my mother. I was still dependent on her. She took care of my daughter while I'm away. Even if she was strict, I still respect her. Siguro utang na loob na din. Toxic nga. But in a way actually yung, because you know why, ito one of the things na binibigay na aral on MCGI, Members Church of God International, with Brother Eddie Soriano and Kuya Daniel Razon. Palaging sinasabi na we do things na sa atin manggagaling yung kabutihan, na sa atin manggagaling yung pagmamahal, even though siguro toxic yung ibang tao, because the thing is, the evil is always present eh. So lalo na pagdating sa families, nako, isa sa paborito ng kalaban spiritual is families, to break up families. So ayun, we have to be guiding of our especially our younger generation now. So dapat manggaling sa atin yung kabutihan, yung pangangalaga sa kanila. And in fact, you know what? Let's be sharing with you a short video on this topic. I hope that Facebook and YouTube won't us for this one, because it's in fact it's a very important thing to be sharing with. So of course, coming from the channel of MCGI, ayan, para makapagbigay po tayo ng insights about this.
Walang kasama ang mangyayari sa isang anak na matalimahin at magalang sa kanyang magulang. Efeso 6:1-3.
Mga anak, magsitalima kayo sa inyong mga magulang sa Panginoon, sapagkat ito'y matuwid.
Pagka tumatalima ba ang anak sa magulang, di ba ang anak ay pakinabang ng magulang? Pagka ba siya'y magalang sa magulang niya, di ba nakikinabang ang magulang sa anak? O merong mga anak bata pa lang pinakikinabangan na ng magulang Marunong nang maghanap buhay, tumulong sa bahay. Merong anak nakapakipakinabang sa magulang. Kaya pagka ang anak sumunod sa utos ng Diyos, nagiging pakinabang ka ng magulang mo, hindi ng Diyos. Ngayon, sino pa makikinabang pag sumunod ka sa magulang mo? Dos.
Igalang mo ang iyong ama at ina na siyang unang utos na may pangako, upang yumaon kang mabuti at ikaw ay mabuhay na malaon sa lupa.
Nakita mo? Sino pa ang nakinabang pagka sinunod mo yung utos ng Diyos? Pinakinabangan ka bilang anak sa pagtalima mo, sa paggalang mo. Nakinabang ang magulang mo sa'yo. Pero hindi naman ang magulang mo ang gumawa sa'yo. Ang Diyos naman ang lumikha sa'yo. Pero ang nakinabang sa'yo nang sumunod ka sa utos na igalang mo magulang mo, ang nakinabang unang-unang magulang. Ikaw naman, ano pakinabang mo? Habang ikaw ay nabubuhay, yumayaon kang mabuti. Walang kasama ang mangyayari sa isang anak na matalimahin at magalang sa kanyang magulang. May proteksyon ka ng Diyos Ang Diyos kasi ang nangako na pag iginalang mo yung magulang mo, tinalima mo, ay may pangako siya, yayaon kang mabuti at mabubuhay ka ng malaon sa lupa. Ang mga anak na matalimahin sa magulang, ligtas sa lahat ng kasamaan sa buhay. Kaya, ang nakinabang pag sumunod ka dun sa utos, yung pinakamabuting bunga ng utos, ang nakikinabang, yung sumunod at saka yung ginawan ng utos.
There you go. Thank you so much coming from the channel of MCGI. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa Diyos. And you know what? Another thing I wish to add on to that, you know, when it comes to our salvation, we are each to our own. And if we follow God's commandments as according to the teachings of Jesus Christ, then we are adding good points to ourselves, and one of those is to be kind and loving and obedient to our parents. Truth of the matter is, even if they were not that good to us, kung na-abuse tayo, more or less, and chances are we might be able to have them changed. And ayun na nga, at the end of the day, you know, darating yung panahon, lalo na pag matanda na sila at may mga sakit na sila, is yung pag-asa man lang na makapagbigay ng magaang sa mga sarili nila is when we show them that no matter if they were the kind of parents that are not good, then we had shown them love and kindness and compassion still, irregardless. Is, you know, we give the chance to have them feel that, even in sadly if that is already on their deathbeds. But you know, at the point of it is, especially to the youth today, we are guiding you, you know, at Ate Penny, ate, hindi tita, Tita Penny and Tita Jerilyn, you know, we advise you to be loving to your parents. Because someday you will also be a parent yourself, and you don't want to be, you know, parang just neglected by your own children someday. So, there you go. Thank you so much. Salamat po sa Diyos for our RTQA.
Pero alam mo ano to? This is a very good topic na to be expounded pa talaga.
Yes, expand natin ito.
Yung pag-uusap. Kasi maraming pwedeng
maungkat pa about it. To which, by the way, as a full replay, you will see this, so feel free. But at the same time, we will be having different beginning tomorrow. We will be having different each of our segments, like Kalayscapades, RTQA, yung mga different segments po natin. They will each have their own showcase. Ayan, para solo siya. So for this topic, once you see that it is uploaded on our social media channels, feel free to join in the comments, even if it's already a replay, o yung lalo na yung mga solo segments niya. So there you go. Thank you so much. Salamat po sa Diyos, and salamat MCGI. I wanna say hi to our brethren, mga kapatid po at Ngaw Folk Lokal. Ayan, hi!
Related topics. Your questions we answer. PS TV Show Online presents RTQA.